Hi, I'm Vince. Here are a few ways to keep your fire burning for your fireplace or your fire pit. New installs need a little bit of extra care in the beginning. Wait 30 days before the first fire. After 30 days, keep the fire small for the next 15 days. So it's a total of 45 days before a normal size fire can be built. And speaking of fire, keep the flames within the fireplace or as high as the fire pit capping. Remember, when it's windy, backdrafts are common. Smoke will flow from the firebox. Unless it's an emergency, never use water to put the fire out. Instead, bank the fire by burying flaming logs and smoldering embers with ashes. This won't completely extinguish the fire, but it will cause it to slowly die out. A little maintenance always helps. This is true for your fireplace or fire pit. Clean up any debris around the area. Use a clean cloth to keep the igniter and burner holes clear. Logs should be cleaned using a soft brush. Always check for gas leaks. If you smell gas, turn off the gas supply. Call your gas company for service. You should also have the igniters and burners serviced by a gas company a minimum of every 2 years. Use the manufacturer's cover or use one that allows moisture to escape. Okay, so there's a little work to keeping your flames burning, but it's well worth it.